before the word magic conjured images of sleight of hand and stage tricks, it spoke of wisdom, of the sacred art of aligning with divine law. The Magi, whose title was later softened in most Bible translations to 3 wise men, were the original bearers of this wisdom. Few realize that Magi is the true name used in the earliest texts, a word derived from the ancient Persian magus, meaning seer or interpreter of divine will. These mysterious travelers who followed the star to Bethlehem were not merely wise men, but initiates of a priesthood devoted to truth, light, and the mysteries of creation. The Magi were astronomers, philosophers, healers, and alchemists who understood that the material and spiritual worlds were reflections of one another, that heaven's light could be read upon the earth. Their journey wasn't just geographical, it was symbolic. They were following the inner light that mirrors the one above, a pilgrimage of consciousness. Over time, the term Magi evolved into Magia in Latin and eventually into our modern word magic, but its essence remains the same. The ability to transform reality through understanding and alignment with higher laws. True magic has never been about trickery. It is the science of consciousness, the art of creating through thought, word, and intention. And there's a secret hiding in plain sight within the word imagination itself. I-Magi-nation. Read slowly, it reveals an ancient lineage. I am the Magi of my nation. A nation not of borders, but of light. Imagination is the power that bridges the unseen and the seen. It is how divine intelligence expresses itself through us. When we imagine, we are tuning to the same creative wavelength that created stars, galaxies, and the spark of life itself. And centuries later, one of humanity's brightest minds, Albert Einstein, echoed the same truth. He said, "Imagination is more important than knowledge, for knowledge is limited, whereas imagination embraces the entire world." Einstein wasn't speaking metaphorically. He knew that imagination, the ability to see beyond the known, was the seed of every scientific discovery. He followed thought the way the Magi followed light. To imagine is to receive. To think is to ask. When both harmonize, revelation occurs. If you're interested in reading more, my full work, The Book of Revolution, is available globally now.